Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to enable Raise to Speak feature on Telegram Messenger. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Telegram app on your phone. Tap on the three lines from the top left corner. From the menu that appears from the left, select Settings. Then go to Chat Settings. Swipe up to go down. Under Settings you will find Raise to Speak. Simply tap the slider to enable it. From now on, after opening any chat, when you lift your phone and hold it next your ear, voice message will start recording automatically. So in this way, you can enable Raise to Speak feature on Telegram Messenger. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.